In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and connect to an Azure Virtual Machine using the secure and straightforward Azure Bastion service. Now, if you're concerned about exposing your virtual machine's public IP or opening ports like 3389 or 22, which can pose security risks, then Azure Bastion offers a much more secure alternative. Azure Bastion acts as a managed jumpbox service, enabling you to connect to your VM directly through the Azure portal using a web browser. The key advantage of this setup is that Azure Bastion allows you to establish this secure connection via TLS, without ever having to expose an RDP or SSH port to the internet. This means your virtual machine is shielded from direct exposure to the web, significantly improving its security profile. Before we jump into connecting your VM this way, you need to ensure you have deployed an Azure Bastion host. This host must reside in the same virtual network and subnet as your virtual machine. Think of it like setting up a secure access point in the same neighborhood as your VM. Once your Bastion host is up and running, accessing your VM becomes simple. Start by navigating to your virtual machine within the Azure portal. Once there, you'll see an option marked Connect. Clicking on this gives you a list of choices, and this is where you'll select Bastion. By choosing this path, you'll be prompted to log in via your web browser. This not only maintains the integrity of your network by keeping it closed to outside traffic, but it also simplifies the connection process by integrating seamlessly with your Azure environment. This method ensures that you won't need to fiddle around with configurations for RDP or SSH ports, which are traditionally left vulnerable when exposed to public access. By using Azure Bastion, these risks are mitigated, making it a prime choice for those who prioritize security without sacrificing accessibility. To recap, by deploying Azure Bastion, you can securely access your VM directly in the Azure portal without worrying about open ports or exposed IPs. This method streamlines your connection process, providing a safer, more robust way to manage your virtual machines. Not only does this safeguard your valuable resources, but it also grants peace of mind, knowing that your virtual infrastructure is better protected against potential threats. So there you have it, a secure, streamlined method to access your Azure virtual machines using Azure Bastion. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it empowers you to take full advantage of the security features available within Azure. Thanks for tuning in, and happy connecting.